Good morning. Happy disembarkation day. Time to go home today. It's just before 8, so we're gonna just finish up in the cabin, do a quick sweep over, make sure nothing's been left, and then we will head down to breakfast. So we're gonna go to the main dining room again today, and just have a really leisurely breakfast. There's no rush really. Our meeting time for our flight, I think, is, oh, is that a bit too dark? I think it's 10:30. Let's just check. Yeah, 10:30. So yeah, we don't have to meet until 10:30, so we're just gonna have a leisurely breakfast. And there are some ships coming in, so one looks maybe not as big as I thought she did, but there's definitely one coming in, if not two. So I think what we will probably do is have breakfast and then maybe just wander on the deck, go to sit on the promenade deck. I've charged up my iPad so I can read or watch a film on the plane. Yeah, I think overall I had a really, God, it's dark, isn't it? We've got such sunlight. Yeah, I've had a really good trip overall. Nothing to fault P&O. It's been like the P&O services, in my opinion, fantastic. Our cabin steward, Loyal, has been wonderful, and anything we've asked for we've been given very promptly. For example, our hairdryer broke the other day and let him know in the morning, and by the time we came back there was a hairdryer. So, and it had a UK plug, which is always nice, because the previous one was like either a EU or US plug, and we had to use an adapter. But yeah, so it's been fantastic. The crew's been great. They've been all really friendly, really helpful. People have been moaning, just irrelevant things. And yeah, the crew's just been great. The entertainment team have been great. The captain has been his absolute fabulous self with his anecdotes and his entertaining ways. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just stood watching a ship come in from my porthole window. I'm going to miss my porthole window. I've really enjoyed it actually. I've not really felt like I've been missing out on a balcony. I think it will depend. Certain places will require certain balconies. You know, different places you go to, maybe a balcony is preferred, but I've really enjoyed my outside cabin. So we're going to head down to breakfast, and I will see you all in a bit. This is my view this morning. We've got a ferry that goes quite frequently actually. It's gone several times yesterday. We've got a ferry in that goes to one of the other islands. We've got something in the distance that seems to be moving but at a very slow pace. And then we've got this boy who is coming in. Does that slide on the back? No. Is that Princess? Oh no. I can't see. We'll see when it gets closer to us. But yes, we've got a ship coming. No, I think it's Ada. We've got a ship coming in. But yeah, we're going to head down to breakfast now and say goodbye to our cabin. It is time to put shoes on. I've had sandals, flip-flops for the whole week, and now I have to go back to actual shoes. Sit in the main dining room, must we? Goodbye, Azura. See you soon. Hi.
Number 9, thank you. Thank you.
I've asked for 12. I'll ask her to come up.
dream to come true. Empty seat. There we go. We are home. It has been a long travel day, so very much gonna have some food and go to bed. But thank you for travelling along with us on this P&O Cruises Azura 7-night Canaries cruise. I hope you've enjoyed it. We have other cruises coming up soon. I think when you see this video, we will almost be ready for Alaska. So stay tuned because we have lots of exciting stuff still to come this year for cruising and travelling in general. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. I will see you all soon. Bye.